స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇంజురీస్ కూడా మీరు టేకప్ చేస్తారు కదా! ఏదైనా మంచి సక్సెస్ స్టోరీ ఉంటే చెప్పండి. మాతో షేర్ చేసుకోండి.
One of my favorite patient is Aruna Reddy Ani. She is one of the brightest gymnasts we had in the country.
ఓకే.
She's the first Indian woman who won a medal in world gymnastics. She won the bronze medal in Australia. Then she won 2 gold medals in Cairo. So ఈ అమ్మాయికి she went to other doctors and they have seen, assessed, and they said she requires a surgery for an injury in the shoulder. So నేను అసెస్మెంట్ చేసి I found that ఒక సర్టన్ మూమెంట్ జాయింట్ లో కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉంది, దానివల్ల ఈ ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది అని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి దానికి తగ్గ ఫిజియోథెరపీ చేయించాను. సర్జరీ చేయకుండానే
ఓకే.
we made her better because she was struggling to do uneven bars and parallel bars gymnastic routine lo because the shoulder was not moving very well. So we put her through my regime of physiotherapy and she got better. Next she went to the world championships in Australia and she won the medal and came back, and that was a success story.